In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on the shuffle on Spotify. So first of all, we open up the Spotify and let's head over to the playlist that you have created or you have saved. But when you start playing it, even though the playlist is created, it will not play it in order you want. So because the shuffle option is open right here, we need to turn this off in order to see it. So we click on this option and it will turn it off right away. Or what you can do is just open up any song in full and you will see a couple of options here to turn the shuffle off. It will be right here. But just remember guys that Spotify changes the policy every now and then. So right now, currently on the date I'm making this video, it is a premium option. So you can easily get the premium option 3 months for free and then you pay something. So unfortunately here they have turned off this option for the free users. It is now only available for the premium users. But that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.